Okay, it's official. I'm tired. Monday morning, Monday afternoon after work. Had a rough day and keep getting less and less staff. And hopefully that gets corrected sometime in the future. Things just harder that way, but we do the best we can anyway. Trying to complain too much, but at least a little bit, because they won't do anything about it if you don't speak up for yourselves. Either way, this next video is about Blackjack tire repair kit. I had a gentleman do the unboxing for me. This way you can get a different viewpoint. And then I actually got a chance to try it out today. Had a screw in the tire for a long time, and I let the head wear out. And I got nervous the screw's going to get inside with the tire apart, so I got the screw out today, and we put a plug in it. Hopefully I illustrate that. One mistake I felt I made, we put a little bit of that dual compound blue stuff on the reamer, and I'm supposed to put a little bit on the plug insert tool before I put it in. I didn't, so hence me using the hammer to get it in. The reamer went right in with that little bit of solution. It's supposed to be like a lubricant and a cement at the same time, so it's supposedly a dual purpose. At least this is what the gentleman read to me when he opened up he did the unboxing for me. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully I won't be as tired in the next one. Have a good one. Bye.
You're the one that's unboxing. You tell me what it is.
Okay. Not another endoscope, is it?
I hope not. It's becoming a bad joke over here. I told Richard I got his endoscope in yesterday. He's like,
gosh, that thing's got some weight to it.
He's like,
is this the way up?
He's smiling.
This is the way up. Blackjack tire repair kit, right? Alright, let's see what this thing comes with. Holy cow, those things are diesel. Dude, that thing weighs like a solid 3 pounds.
Really? The other ones in the shop weigh like 3 ounces.
If that. And look, it's even got little replacement,
Yep.
I guess wouldn't call them like a plug thread.
$40, man. Remember the other day I told you I had a screw in there and the sucker fell out on Saturday morning?
Yeah.
You know?
Yep.
Damn thing was like 3 pounds of air in there.
That's what I wanted to see, is what these plugs look like.
And then, what? A couple days later I got a nail in my back tire. This place is crazy.
So we got small plugs.
Those are truck plugs.
Yeah, these are the full size like truck and tractor plugs. Look at the little thermostat screwdriver you get. That's cute. That's a pretty neat kit. I like that you get 2 different sizes of those plugs.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Is that the goo?
Yeah, I want to see what that looks like. Is it waxy? Is it soapy? What is it?
I guess it's about the consistency of like Carmex, like in the can.
Okay.
The hard Carmex.
Don't eat it.
Yeah, but definitely don't eat it. But it's just the stuff you put on your tire. What is this? Blackjack lube. Hexagon jar looks.
You're supposed to put some on the spike when you ream it out.
On the hand spike.
On the reamer, yeah, to get it in, and then you're supposed to put a little bit on the tip when you go to put the plug in, so it's easier, because we've been having so much trouble with the cheapest crap we buy at AutoZone.
Yep. Oh, this is a 2-in-1. This is also the stuff like your
when you torch it,
like rubber cement. You know how like you're supposed to put the rubber. It's a 2-in-1 deal.
Okay, I didn't know that.
And your thermostat screwdrivers are flat and Phillips.
Learned something today. And I only have one extra for the insert tool.
You got one extra insert tool. I didn't see. There's an Allen key in here too for your
Oh, you change the backup.
You got the little Allen key for right there.
And there's no second insertion tip. There's only that tip for the plug.
Yeah, there's no extra reamer tip.
So I don't have to buy that. Okay, if I need it, but I doubt it.
Shoot, realistically, if it's a chuck like that, you could probably stick a drill bit in there and do what you gotta do. Yeah. Comes with a little.
Cut the plug after you finish.
Yep, blade to cut the plug. That's a well put together little kit.
It's one of the most expensive ones. I hate to say it, on Amazon. Take a guess.
Like $50, $50, $60?
$40, $43. freaking expensive.
That's not as bad as I thought it would be, because I mean, these two tools alone are pretty diesel.
We got the other ones, cheapos, for like $5-10.
Yeah, the AutoZone specials.
Yeah, crap.
I like that it all comes in a nice, neat little case too.
So you can find it when you need it, right?
Yeah, that's cool, man.
End the video.
Okay, here's a screw right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. We had a hard time getting it out. One of the buddies over here got a good grip on it. It seems to be twisting out. It's almost out now already. I can feel it. It's out. We got it out, thank God. I didn't want to mess up the tire. It's definitely hissing. Yes, sir. Okay. Alright, I need the reamer with a little bit of that where's that waxy stuff?
You want the blue lube?
Yes.
Are you supposed to put that on?
Yes, a little bit. Only a little bit like that. That's it.
What's that for? Never seen that.
It went in. It went right in. It went right in.
Of course it did. You just lubed it up.
That's the whole idea. Let me know when you're ready. Okay, let's pull this one out. Oh, we broke the tool. Huh? Isn't this funny today? I don't know if we broke it, but okay. There should be a little small Allen key in there.
This one?
Thank you. Okay. Didn't expect that to happen. But it did. So I need like a rubber hammer or something. There's a rubber mallet over there or a big hammer.
Get that mallet off the bench there. Big guy.
Yeah, you got like a 5-pound hammer, 5-10-pound hammer there. There's a heavy hammer over there.
Oh, careful! I don't want to drop that on your face.
Seems to be going in. Yep, it went right in, and that one came off too. Oh, we batting 1,000 over here, Mr. Lee. I guess I should have checked it first. Say again?
This is this shiny.
Okay, let's tighten it up then, so we can get it out. As long as we got the screw out and we got the... Okay, that should be it. That worked perfectly.
You want to use your
We didn't put no lube on that one, did we?
No, you want to use your snazzy little razor?
Yeah, little razor blade.
Rubber, just drive it. It'll be
Thank you.
alright.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I think you're fine. I think you're right. Okay, that's the end of the video. Got the tire fixed.